Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss what is AVL tree and how to construct an AVL tree. AVL tree is one of the most important tree which is used to reduce the height of a binary search tree, and it is one of the important topic in data structure. So let's start it. Now, AVL tree is also called a height balance tree, uh, or you can say it a AVL tree. In this video, we will discuss what is AVL tree, first thing, what is the property of the AVL tree that we have to follow, and then uh, how to calculate the balance factor of a node, and what are the different rotations that we have to use in this to construct a AVL tree. So first of all, what is AVL tree? AVL tree is a binary search tree. So binary search tree means that it will follow the properties of BST. And what is the property? That if we have a node whose key is 4, so the values less than 4 will go on the left subtree, for example 2, and value greater than 4 will go on the right side of the root, for example 6. Now this is the main property of BST, that if there is a root, that is 4, so less than 4 will go on the left hand side of the root and greater than 4 will go to the right hand side of the root. And as I said, AVL tree is a BST binary search tree with the following property. And what is the property is that the balance factor of each node is either 1 or 0 or -1. So there are three value that we have to find out. What is the balance factor of a given node? It could be either -1 or it could be 0 or it could be 1. And how to calculate the balance factor of a node? Here is the formula. What the formula says? That balance factor of a node is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, and it should be either -1 or 0 or 1. In other words, I can say the magnitude of this subtraction should be less than equal to 1. So first of all, we have to learn how to calculate the balance factor of a node. Just assume that we will have a first example. For example, here is the example number A. There are 3 nodes. This is the root node. There is a child on left side and there is a child on. Always remember, the balance factor of leaves are always 0. So I can say there are 2 leaves, so the balance factor of both these two are 0. Now what is the balance factor of this node? You can say how many elements are there on the left side? Only 1. So this is the height. So we can say 1. How many elements are on the right hand side? Again 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can say the height of left subtree is 1, that is this one. Height of right subtree is 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. So as you can see that the balance factor of all the nodes are 0. So you can say that this is a AVL tree, or you can say a balanced binary search tree. Let's see another example. Just assume that we have this example. Example is B. Now this is the leaf node. So if it is a leaf node, so the balance factor of this node is always 0. Now what is the balance factor of this node? See, what is the height of left subtree? 0. There is no element on the left subtree, so the height is 0, minus what is the height of right subtree? So there is only one node on the right subtree, so 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. Again, the balance factor of both node are 0 and -1. So this is also a AVL tree. Let's see this example. See, uh, we have 3 nodes, and just we will calculate the balance factor of each node. The balance factor of leave node is 0. This is okay. Now what is the balance factor of this node? See how many what is the height of left subtree of this node. So since there is only one node on the left hand side, so height is equal to 1 minus how many elements are on the right hand side? 0. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the balance factor of this node is 1. Now what is the balance factor of this node? So you can see that height of left subtree is this one. How many nodes? 2. So the height of left subtree is 2 minus how many elements on the right hand side? 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So as you can see that the balance factor of this node is 2, which violate the AVL tree property that the height balance factor should be either -1 or 0 or 1, but here it is 2. So this tree is an unbalanced tree. This tree is the unbalanced tree. We'll take another example here. See, in this case, we can see there are the balance factor of leave node is 0. The balance factor of this node is height of left subtree. मतलब इसके how many is there on the left side? 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then what is the height balance factor of leaf node? 0. And what is the balance factor of this node? If you can see, height of left subtree is 1 minus height of right subtree. So from here you can count how many nodes are there, 1 and 2. So the height is 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So again, if you see the balance factor of each node, it follow the property of AVL tree, that is either -1 or 0 or 1. So we can say this is also a balanced tree. So the main purpose of creating a AVL tree is that AVL tree reduce the height of a binary search tree so that the searching time can be reduced. So this is the main objective, we should reduce the height of a binary search tree so that my search time also get minimum. So in the next video we will see what is the difference if my balanced binary search tree is unbalanced and what type of problem arises over there. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.